Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are back with another safari. Today we are heading to Maasai Mara, and I'm looking forward to a very grateful day, a happy day, enjoyable, great adventures. And yeah, so if you enjoy this video, be sure to hit the like, comment, share, and please subscribe. So let's go. So we finally stopped here at the Great Rift Valley. It's a place you have to stop anytime you come around because you see we got very great views that you will enjoy seeing. 6 hours later, we are here at Enchoro Wildlife Camp, and I am very excited because I'm going to be camping for the first time, you guys. Actually, something I didn't know, from Narok to Maasai Mara, it's kinda like 1 hour 30 minutes. I thought it's a small distance, but yeah, this is the reception. So here we're finally going to get our rooms, yeah, where we'll be camping. I'm excited, like you guys, I'm excited. I'm just happy and looking forward to a great time here at Maasai Mara. And I'm recording this for you guys and also to keep the memory because some moment comes once. First things first, a room tour. Okay, the house was dark. Electricities are turned on at 6:30 p.m. so yeah, the lighting. Then now we go to the washroom, the kitchen, and everything else. See? And guys, hot shower, as you can see, hot shower. Interesting. So it's around 3 and we are heading to Maasai Mara National Park for our first game drive. You guys, I'm excited. I look forward to having a great experience and seeing wildlife and yeah, just enjoying the scenery, because what else can you do here at Maasai Mara? And of course, when you see Maasais, you know you have arrived the land where you belong. So they sell these stuff. They're always sold everywhere for all visitors and all tourists that come around. So you guys, there's jam at Maasai Mara. Anyway, it's peak time. What do you expect? So we're just like seeing what these people are selling as we wait for the jam. Okay, maybe let me show you how, like, the number of vehicles are around and just waiting and lining up to go to Maasai Mara. Yeah, so our driver decides to do this. Let's see how much it saves us. Because I'm excited and I'm looking forward to enjoying and having a good time. We're almost getting in, and at this point I feel so happy because you know what? I have just saved myself all the coins and all the shillings because of getting a brand working with me. Thank you so much, Akman Safaris. And so I'm not able to break down for you the charges, the exact amount of charges for you to get in, but I'm told for East African citizen and okay, let's just say if you have like $100, you can experience 1 day here, or 1 morning drive and evening drive. Yeah, but with something like $300 US, you can have like 2-3 days good experience camping and game drive here. But there may be other charges like tipping and car charges, trucks, air balloon, and everything, and other activities you can do here at Maasai Mara. So with that said, let's continue with our game drive, guys. I'm excited. Guys, our first stop. Can you see a cheetah? Let me zoom. Yeah, a cheetah is eating a deer. Can you see? Interesting. Wow. African giraffes. Oh my god, they look so beautiful. I actually loved the view and just seeing them in their natural habitat. I'm sorry I had to do a voiceover because you know what, a lot of noise in the vehicle I was traveling in because I had Chinese friends. Okay, someone told me not to call them ever, never to call them chinku, but anyway, yeah. What about this view? Oh my god, this was magical. Like, You come travel and enjoy to see all these things for yourself. Like, I can't tell you anymore. Now we have zebras. So it's interesting how while on a game drive, vehicles always follow each other. Signs of a lion or a cheetah or those big five. Yeah, so we saw a lion, the African lions. We finally saw the wild beasts and some antelopes. Unfortunately, it's not the time when the wild beasts are crossing the river, so we enjoy just seeing them in their natural habitats and birds. These are African elephants. Very interesting. Ooh, the sunset. Yeah, so guys, that is it for today's first game drive. We're back in our place to eat, our restaurant. See you tomorrow. Good morning, it's a new day. We're back at Maasai Mara National Reserve. Okay, this is a different entrance. We are here to explore a different area of Maasai Mara, and yeah, I'm excited. I think you can do this so many game drives. I think so, because we are yet to see so many things that I'm excited to see. So we are back, and today we are welcomed by antelopes. And notice the sunrise. Like, you can see the rays, awesome, perfect. I mean, when you see all this beauty, you just like thank God for life, for nature, for everything. Yeah, it's so beautiful. So we are here at Maasai Mara River, and hope we are here to see crocodiles and hippos. So there is a crocodile there. I am not sure if you can see it. Can you see it? Okay, let me try and zoom. Yeah. So we are going to see some hippopotamus in their adventure, or in their habitat, not in their adventure, in their habitat. Yeah. So a better view of Mara River. Yeah. So the game drive continues, and you are lucky to see some lions in their habitat, like you guys. Also, one more rule: when you come to see lions, you remain silent, like you don't talk, so they don't like disappear. Oh, I'm just being corrected. I said lion. They are lioness. These are lioness. Hope we'll see a lion, because also yesterday we just saw a lion. No, we only saw lionesses, so I hope we'll see a lion. An ostrich. Ostrich. Finally a lion. Like he just resembles the king of the jungle. Don't you see that? Yeah. Whew. I'm scared already. Okay, now. Hey, it's around 2. We've had our packed lunch and now we are heading to the Maasai village. Yeah, you guys, if you didn't know, I am related to Maasai. I'm half tribe Maasai and Kikuyu, and I'm excited to hear about my culture, to learn more, and just to experience what I would be doing and how I'd be putting on these lessons, you know. So let's go.
Welcome to our village. This is where we live in our village. We live 160. Yeah, we are gonna show you some activities. There is a welcoming dance for the boys. There is a fire making with some local tools. And then after that we see some of the houses. Normally we hunt the male lions, we don't hunt the lioness. This is because we normally eat the main batch.
Today I'm just seeing Mujiza because I'm very excited to see how that fire is going to light. Okay guys, just roll. Roll. And they placed that on dry grass. Voila! Oshi. True story, true story. On the next place is to go see Maasai Manyata house. Guys, imagine I'll be living in a Manyata. Oh God. Thank you for civilizing us. Because I don't know if I'd survive. So this is the Manyata and it's so dark. I can't even see anything inside. I'm freaking out to get in. But you know what? For the experience. For the experience. Let's go. Okay guys, I'm freaking out. It's so dark. It's so dark. I can't see nothing. Okay. Finally see them cooking. How do people even survive in all this darkness? Okay, enough. What? It's so bright outside. What? What? That was so certain. That's a Manyata for you guys. Just around the Maasai area, women are here selling souvenirs and this Maasai art. Yeah, so you can carry. Let's just say it's a small village market, so let's just have a b-roll of that. Fun fact, guys, have you heard of Tira? It is this zebra you're seeing with that polka dot print, you know. It was discovered by Anthony Tira, and that's why he named it Tira. And I thought you should know it is found in Maasai Mara. Finally, guys, we are on our way back to Nairobi. We are done with the Maasai Mara, but check out for my next video. And these cows, Maasai's love cows, if you don't know, so you will meet many of these. But anyway, I'm saying, if you have enjoyed this video, be sure that you will enjoy my next one, because I'm going to Tanzania and I'm so excited, and I look forward to going along with you and experiencing a different country. And please, if you've not subscribed, subscribe because of that giraffe. And yeah, I almost say giraffe. Anyway, bye, love you.